Well, we are ending this day, but wanted to start the forecast by talking about what we saw. As far as temperatures, we got up to 76. Now that is 15 degrees above our average temperature, which is 61 for this time of year. If you take a look at our normal low for this time of year, 41, we were at 55 today, and for tonight, we're expected to get down to 51. So still about 10 degrees above average once we end today. Now looking outside in Lebanon, it's pretty dark out there. You can't tell if there's clouds or not, but there are some clouds out there. They're going to be passing clouds, and temperature 58, getting down, like I said, to about 51 in most areas across the mid-state. Now take a look at the rain, 1.6 inches, 1.06 inches. So across the entire mid-state, most areas saw about 1.5 inches of rain this morning. And then we had that big 180 by the afternoon. So it was rainy to start the day, and that was because that rain came ahead of this warm front. Then we got up into the 70s for today. With those 70-degree temperatures, it felt amazing out there. Now we do have a bit of a cold front that's coming through the area this evening. That's why we're getting back down to about 50 degrees, but it's not going to be too cool. We are going to stay mild. We are going to be breezy though. That is something that you'll see some wind gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour later on tonight into the overnight. But it's not going to last too much longer. It'll be done by the morning. I wanted to point out our temperatures. So while we're in the 50s, mid 50s, going to be lower 50s by the morning time. If we look at the rest of the eastern part, we are still fairly warm, 57 in Atlanta, 80 in Tampa, but as we go further out west, we're down to about 18 in Denver, 34 in Boise, so much cooler in the western part of the country right now. Going back to some more local conditions, when we talk about what these winds are going to look like overnight, we see wind gusts 19 miles per hour in Harrisburg, 18 in New York, 16 in Carlisle, so the upper teens, like I said, some areas might get up to gusts 20 to 25. By the morning, 5:30 in the morning, we're still about 18 miles per hour in Lebanon, 13 in Lancaster, but back into the single digits. And then later into the morning, we start to see those winds become calmer. As far as any kind of rain, we don't see that. It's actually going to be fairly clear tomorrow, beautiful sunny conditions. It won't be though until Tuesday when we start to see some more clouds come in. Those clouds will remain for not only Tuesday, but Wednesday as well. Temperatures stay mild throughout the entire work week. We do start to see some rain for Thursday. That is Halloween, so we're looking to see some rain showers more so in the evening time, but we are going to keep an eye on what the models say to make sure that if there is going to be a washout or if there's just going to be showers for trick-or-treat time, that you guys know so you're prepared and ready to go.